Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars World 2025. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Kawasaki Versys, a machine that redefines adventure touring with its bold new design and cutting-edge features. If you love motorcycles and want to stay updated on the latest releases, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. The Kawasaki Versys series has been a favorite among adventure touring riders for years. Since its debut, it has continuously evolved, blending sport bike agility with long-distance touring comfort. With the 2025 model, Kawasaki has once again pushed the limits, delivering a stunning motorcycle built for both urban rides and cross-country adventures. At first glance, the 2025 Kawasaki Versys commands attention with its aggressive and aerodynamic styling. The sharp, angular bodywork is designed not just for looks but also for improved wind resistance. The redesigned front fairing enhances aerodynamics, offering better wind protection for long journeys. The all-LED headlight setup is a game-changer, providing enhanced visibility for nighttime and foggy conditions. Kawasaki has also introduced a sleeker and more compact windscreen, which is now adjustable to provide better wind deflection. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the sculpted fuel tank, designed for optimal rider grip and better weight distribution. With a capacity of around 21 liters, it ensures fewer fuel stops on long rides, making it the perfect companion for adventure seekers. The 2025 Versys now comes with a reinforced steel trellis frame, giving it a perfect balance of strength and flexibility. The high ground clearance allows for better off-road capabilities, making rough terrains feel like a breeze. The rear section is more streamlined than ever, featuring a sleek LED tail light and a more robust luggage mounting system. Kawasaki has integrated an all-new exhaust system, not only enhancing performance but also giving the bike a more refined yet aggressive sound. So there you have it, the 2025 Kawasaki Versys, a masterpiece built for adventure and style. What do you think about its exterior design? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to Cars World 2025 for more in-depth motorcycle and car reviews. Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned for more exciting content.